Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session, and in today's episode we are reviewing one of the most leading email marketing platform out there. It's called Brevo. What is Brevo? Brevo is a comprehensive email marketing automation and CRM platform designed to cater small and medium-sized businesses. Brevo provides tools for email marketing, SMS marketing, transactional emails, and CRM functionality. It becomes one of the versatile choice for businesses looking to streamline their communication strategies. What are some of the features of Brevo? Brevo provides a complete end-to-end email marketing platform with drag and drop editor, customizable templates, automated workflows, A&B testing, and advanced segmentation. You can also have SMS marketing scheduled, you can create them, you can run the campaigns, you can have the transactional emails, which means you can have reliable SMTP service with tracking for delivery, opens and clicks. It has an inbuilt sales CRM available on every free plan. The best part is that you can also run WhatsApp campaigns, which helps you create multimedia messages with a preview feature. You get a live chat, customizable chat widget that you can integrate into your websites. Using Brevo, you can integrate into various platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and others through almost 60 to 70 direct integrations. Pricing. Brevo provides a free plan up to 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts. That's a lot, especially if you're starting out or a small company. There are other plans like starter template, business and enterprise, depending on the size of the emails you want to send per day. This you can review and choose based on your needs of your application and your company. Let's talk about some of the pros. Brevo offers advanced automation, which is a powerful workflow builder for targeted email campaigns. It's affordable, it's competitive pricing with substantial features, makes it with a free sales CRM. I think it's worth it because you get everything included that to run your entire marketing and sales in one platform. You have multi-channel marketing, that means you have email, SMS and WhatsApp that you can use for different marketing initiatives. It's user friendly, which means it has intuitive interface suitable for beginners and advanced users. What are some of the cons? Free plan limitation. Again, if you are looking up to only 300 emails per day, it makes sense. But if you are someone looking for higher rate of email sending, the free plan has that limitation. Video element lacks support for videos in emails. I couldn't find a way to insert a video into emails. Maybe they have, maybe they don't, I don't know. We'll have to explore. Enterprise suitability, more suited for small to medium sized businesses than large businesses. Limited integrations, fewer direct third party integrations compared to competitors. Let's go ahead, check out the demo and walk through. So, like I said, it's a complete email marketing platform and CRM. It's an all-in-one AI-enabled platform to manage your customer relationships via email, SMS, WhatsApp, chat, and more. You can check out under the product, you have the marketing platform, you have the sales platform, you have customer data platform. You can also integrate all of this messaging API into your custom applications as well. So in the marketing platform, you have email marketing, SMS, WhatsApp, wallet, web, automation, forms, and much more. Sales platforms comes with sales pipelines, CRM, 360 customer view, inbox, meetings, phone, all of that. This is basically an entire platform to run your marketing, sales, CRM department all in one platform. Let's go to pricing. And you can see that the free plan includes 300 emails per day, customizable email templates, drag and drop editor, transactional emails, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. But if you are someone an enterprise and have budget or need more emails to be sent, you can upgrade to higher plans of 8 per month or 16 per month. And these are the each features for each of the plans. So explore that, but I would say start with the free one and see how you progress, if it fits your bill, and then keep growing it. That would be my take on it. It's an excellent platform that you should give it a try. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till then, happy exploring apps. I'll see you in the next episode. We'll keep hunting for more useful apps for our community. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.